A Russian drone operator patiently waits for the perfect moment to strike a Ukrainian pickup. As the drone closes in, 5 soldiers spot the threat and jump out just in time. The vehicle, however, is destroyed in a precise strike. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. A Russian unmanned aerial vehicle engages multiple Ukrainian military vehicles during ongoing operations. Some vehicles are on the road, while others are positioned along the roadside. The footage shows each vehicle being monitored and neutralized one by one, resulting in all being rendered inoperative. The Russian drone operators display precise coordination, situational awareness, and technical expertise, highlighting the increasing role of unmanned systems in contemporary military operations. Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operators conducted strikes against enemy minibuses moving along so-called anti-drone corridors in the Zaporizhzhia direction. Despite attempts to use these routes for safer movement, aerial surveillance detected the vehicles in real time. Precision FPV strikes were then carried out, disabling the minibuses and disrupting troop transport along this axis. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operator detected Ukrainian explosives hidden beneath a bridge in the Varvarivka area. The drone executed a precise strike on the ammunition cache, causing a massive explosion that completely destroyed the bridge. New footage from near Konstantinovka shows Russian drone operators monitoring Ukrainian vehicle movement along a key route. One by one, 3 vehicles are tracked from the air. As each target is isolated, precision drone strikes are carried out, disabling all 3. None of the vehicles manage to evade the operation. A Russian drone targeted a Ukrainian robotic ground vehicle as it advanced toward its assigned mission objective. Operating amid harsh winter conditions, the crew maneuvered across snow-covered terrain while maintaining surveillance of enemy movement. The frozen landscape limited mobility and visibility, but the operators carefully tracked the target vehicle as it moved along exposed routes. After confirming the vehicle's position and ensuring a clear approach, the crew carried out a deliberate engagement. The strike was executed with precision, resulting in the successful neutralization of the enemy vehicle. Footage shows combat operations by a 240mm 2S4 Tulip self-propelled heavy mortar crew from the 46th High-Power Artillery Brigade of Russia's West Force Grouping, striking Ukrainian armed forces positions in the Kupiansk district of the Kharkiv region. Footage shows an armored vehicle from the 25th Army disabled during movement near the settlement of Krivaya Luck. The BMB Kozak was struck while traveling along a road, resulting in a breakdown that left the vehicle immobilized in the open. Footage shows combat operations by the 3rd Combined Arms Army of the Southern Group of Forces, which detected and destroyed a Ukrainian Armed Forces UAV command post. A precision strike was carried out after reconnaissance confirmed the location, disrupting enemy drone coordination and control in the area. In the Konstantinovka direction, an FPV drone from Russia's 238th Guards Artillery Brigade struck and disabled a Ukrainian 155mm as-90 self-propelled artillery system. The footage shows the kamikaze drone delivering a precise hit, resulting in the loss of the artillery piece that had been providing fire support in the area. Russian FPV drone units continue active operations in the Novopavlovsk direction, conducting reconnaissance and ambush-style strikes against vehicles used by Kiev's forces. The footage shows drones positioned along likely movement routes, allowing operators to track targets before committing to an attack. In several instances, FPV drones wait until vehicles enter confined terrain before engaging, limiting maneuver options and increasing the effectiveness of the strike. These operations are presented as part of a broader effort to disrupt mobility and logistical movement along this sector of the front. Footage captures the destruction of multiple Kiev forces trenches near the settlement of Belitskoye, following precise strikes with FAB-250 bombs. The strikes effectively neutralized fortified positions, illustrating the impact of coordinated aerial bombardment on frontline defenses. Ukrainian forces left a vehicle abandoned in the middle of a snow-covered intersection and attempted to conceal it with a green camouflage net. A perfect 10 out of 10 example of questionable battlefield tactics. Zaporizhzhia direction. A Ukrainian armed forces dugout was struck by operators Saigin and Ermak. Objective control was also carried out using an FPV drone. Russian reporting shows the North Group's 11th Army Corps using fiber-optic FPV drones in the Kharkiv region. Near the village of Ternova, the drones target a moving Ukrainian pickup truck, striking it with precision. The report emphasizes the accuracy of the attack. The vehicle is disabled and the driver neutralized, framing it as part of a wider effort to disrupt enemy mobility and logistics in the area. Ukrainian forces' drone spotted over a road near Pokrovsk was quickly neutralized. The operators tracked its movement and took it down, preventing any further reconnaissance. A clear example of effective counter-drone tactics in action.
Красавчик! Красава! Да тебе поцелуй, братан. О, альхамдулилlah. Это наш снайпер!
In the Drushkovka sector, Ukrainian fiber-optic FPV drones from the KVN unit carried out precision strikes, taking out 2 T-64 BV tanks of the Kiev forces one after the other. High-tech drones, precise hits, unstoppable impact.
Сам откуда?
Сам из Тернополя.
A Russian FPV drone engaged a truck and a passenger vehicle simultaneously during unloading operations conducted by Ukrainian forces. Footage captured by a Russian FPV crew shows enemy forces in the rear area. Special forces from the SER group, along with units from the 344th Strategic Missile Forces and motorized infantry regiments, are seen moving into position for operations. Russian reporting indicates that forces struck and destroyed a Kiev-aligned armored transport near the settlement of Robotic as it departed from Shirovo. The report emphasizes the precision and timing of the engagement, framing it as part of ongoing operations to disrupt Ukrainian movements and logistics in the sector. footage shows Russian armed forces conducting airstrikes against fortifications and personnel concentrations of the 425th Special Forces Brigade in Hishino and surrounding areas. Target verification indicates that FAB bombs struck the intended positions effectively. Here is a clearer video showing Oreshnik landing in Lviv. This marks his second combat mission during the conflict in Ukraine. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone detected a group of 8 to 9 Ukrainian infantry personnel. The drone rapidly moved in to engage the position. As it approached at close range, the infantry reacted simultaneously, attempting to counter the drone as it closed to just a few meters near a soldier positioned by a vehicle. In this archival footage, soldiers from the 68th Motorized Infantry Division of the Leningrad Military District are shown capturing enemy personnel with the support of an FPV drone. The drone operator demonstrates skill consistent with extensive simulation training. January 7, 2026. A Russian drone targeted a Ukrainian ATV positioned by the roadside. 2 soldiers were inside the vehicle at the time of the engagement. Russian reporting presents a compilation of strikes carried out by drone operators from the South Group, showcasing a series of precise hits across multiple settlements. In Novosyolovka, a vehicle carrying Kiev Forces manpower is shown being destroyed. In Alexeyevo-Drushkovka, operators target and disable a pickup truck, while in Ilyanovka a Kozak armored vehicle is taken out with a direct FPV strike. The footage continues with another Kozak destroyed in Konstantinovka, followed by an enemy vehicle eliminated in Kondratovka. The sequence concludes back in Alexeyevo-Drushkovka, where a second pickup truck is struck. Each segment is framed as part of a coordinated pressure campaign,